So this is an unboxing video from Penguin Random House, so it's children's books. And these titles are available starting October 23rd. And let's get started. So it's not a huge box. Sometimes I'll get a box that's big and literally get one book inside, which feels like a waste of packaging material, but you know, they like to be very safe. And so this is actually a couple of books. So the first book is Kids Cooking. I'll take them out one at a time and I'll go through them. And the second one is Heads and Tails by John Canty. And then the third book is Coming Home. Okay, so let's get started. This one is packed by Danielle P. Thank you, Danielle. The books came and they are in perfect condition. Okay, so the first book is Coming Home, and it is by Michael Morpurgo, illustrated by Kerry Hyndman. And it looks, to me, it gives kind of a non-fiction feel, that it's like a non-fiction picture book. But I don't know, I'm just guessing because I see the robin, and it's winter, and I actually thought the robins would head south, but maybe I'm wrong. So a plucky robin, lost and alone, sets out on an epic journey and is trying to find his way home in time for Christmas. And this book is by Canterwood Press. Oh, and the illustrations are really beautiful. So it's definitely not nonfiction, but told from the point of view of first person of the bird. And it's actually a fair amount of text for a picture book. But is it almost like lyrical text, like a free verse poem? Yep. And I feel like those lyrical free verse poem picture books, I feel like they're really popular. This is a little bit longer though than what I normally see in a picture book. And so here the bird's being asked to survive an attack. And is kind of has to be the odd man out with these other birds. So it's a pretty perilous journey. Bird gets a little bit of help. And where is he flying? He's just trying to get home. He's pretty close. He's looking for her. And there they are. And it's a Merry Christmas. And it looks warmer here. Like this definitely, they are no longer in a cold place. Like I see succulents. So maybe he did go south. Maybe that is Florida. Anyway, that looks charming. The next one also is animal oriented, called Heads and Tails by John Canty. And really beautiful watercolor illustrations, again by Canterwood Press. See the peacock. And you see this kind of very rough, watery. I actually really like these kind of rough, like watercolors where it's unfinished. I feel like it has a lot of life. And so these are little riddles. And you guess. You get a riddle, and then you guess and turn the page, and that's how you figure out what it is. And when you turn the page, it goes. It's nice because it goes from a little bit. Let's say, like less defined, and then when you turn it, the animal's more defined. So it's kind of like I'm giving you a clue and a hint, but then when you guess it, I really not only do I give you the answer, but I really define that image. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that kind of visual. It's kind of like a visual clue. It depicts the book visually exactly what it is. Oh, and in the back, oh no, it's just attached accidentally. Cool, that looks fun. That looks great. I think kids would love that. And then a kids cooking book, which my kids like to cook. They started making food, actually, when they really wanted pancakes, and we stopped making them pancakes. So I would say like by 8 or 10, my kids could make pancakes from scratch, which is really not that much harder than from a mix. This is by Canterwood Press, and oh, I like this multicultural diversity of kids cooking from around the world and making maybe what they consider to be simple food. And so you have someone who's like doing a pretty decent amount of chopping and showing you the correct way. And kids can definitely chop. Like, I'm all for that. And they're making kind of an Arabic salad. Chermoula, I know that's a sauce. Oh, wow, that's great. And here we have Chinese American fried rice, which also requires a lot of chopping and chopsticks. And in this classroom, they're making minestrone soup, representing Italy. Also, considerable chopping. This is like cooking for people who are not afraid to chop. And then here we have salsa. So that is also, and they're making tortillas from scratch. Okay, these people are super ambitious. My from scratch tortillas never turn out very well. Oh my gosh, here they're making tamales. Okay, tamales I think are actually pretty difficult. That's so cool though, and they even wrap it in the corn husk, which is like quite a trick as I understand it. Wow, so the recipes are from around the world, and they definitely get more difficult as the book progresses, but is there recipes? I don't know. There's actual recipes. I think they're just showing you. You could probably figure out how to make it just from looking at it, because these are all, this is not baking, it's not that exact. Maybe the masa for the for making the tortillas and the tamales would be the most difficult just from looking at a picture. But yeah, here you have salad. So anyway, that looks fun. Definitely. I know a lot of schools can't make food because of allergies, but if you wanted to do this at home or with a classroom where you're allowed to, this would be a great book to show kids from around the world cooking, and also to cook, and then maybe to add another book about that culture. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, these titles are distributed by Penguin Random House, and they are on sale October 23rd, which is coming up in about 2 weeks.